This video is about the Leo brand water pumps. What you're looking at here are the gasoline water pump, not using electric, and the brand is called Leo. It's available here in Ace Hardware, J Mall branch, but other Ace Hardware also carry this one, so you can buy this Leo brand in other Ace Hardware. So what you're looking at here is the 6.5 horsepower gasoline water pump, and see the price is 13,399. It is also available in 5.5 horsepower with a price of 12,649. Because some people are asking me where they can find the pump, water pump that is not connected to electric, because you know what is common is this one here, pumps that are connected to electrics. Like this one, this is ilan ka horsepower ga? 1 horsepower is 7,199.75. That's still, we're on the brand name Leo, that is made in China, but this is one of like class A China. This is also 0.8 horsepower is 5,749. This one still 1 horsepower, so this is the same as this one and this one. 1 horsepower is 7,199.75. But these are the electric ones. This is 0.6 horsepower. It's 5,149. And then they have the smaller one, which is this one. Ilan ka horsepower ga? 0.15? 0.15 horsepower. A small one. That's the smallest, 2,499. Again, this is the electric one. This is 0.17 horsepower, 4,889. So for all my brothers and sisters out there in the Philippines where they have no electric but they have to source their water from the well or from the river, you can use either the electric system of water pump or the gasoline water pump, like here, the 6.5 horsepower and 5.5 horsepower. Again, the 5.5 is 12,649 and the 6.5 is 13,399. And here is the Leo pressure tank. So set na ni siya dong. That's the pressure tank and with the water pump. So that's 8,799. That's the set. And ako, pila ni ka horsepower? This one is 1 horsepower. This is the small system with the pressure tank is 0.6 horsepower at 8,599. That's 0.6 horsepower pump with a pressure tank already included. This is the 1 horsepower system. Pila gay siya ga? 13,099. So that's 13,099. So what I'm looking at here, this is Bolzano brand. Bolzano is from the horsepower on this one is 1/2 horsepower. That's electric pump. 1/2 horsepower is 3,899.75. This is another still 1/2. Still 1/2. This is 3/4. So the three here are 1/2 The price is 3899.75, and this one is the 3/4 horsepower electric pump, 4,499.75. So they're both the same. They are 3/4 horsepower, 3/4. These are the Europe one. Ano ba ano Eurostar? Eurostar, how many horsepower? What may subwat dong? Garad. 0.8. The Eurostar 0.8 horsepower water pump is 8,299. This is the one with stainless. Italy is Eurostar. The stainless horsepower 0.6. This is the stainless type. This is 9,399.75. This one different brand na sa lagi ni dong. Eurostar gyapon di ay. Eurostar 12,999.75. This is I got a lot of requests to do an update on all my pricing. So because they want I got a lot of requests to do an update on all my pricing. So this is one of the, look, it's made in Italy. Eurostar, pila ni? 1.5 horsepower at 22,999.75. This is, asam na yung mga daray? 1.5 the same. So these are the same. This is 22,399.75. So there you go. You got your water pump. You got your submersible pump as well. Where some are using, pwede sa din siya tubig yung ana dong. Drainage system for the submersible pumps. They're like around 11,149. This is the 60 horse pila niga gigahertz 599.75. So what I'm trying to show you, because my request right now is got a lot on the water pumps, which is this one, gasoline water pump. That's 13,399.